Hi, welcome to Growth Engineering, a platform where we say it's an intersection between marketing and engineering, and where data becomes your competitive advantage. In this series, we will be looking at AI-powered autoresponder and why you need one. Now, most often when people take actions on our platform, for instance, downloaded an ebook, made an inquiry, or maybe bought a product, they receive the same generic email, that same one that sounds like, "Hi James, thank you for visiting our site. A member of our team will get back to you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to visit our website for more information." The lead may have bought something 2 months ago or taken some form of action, but yet all this email could prove is that you don't know them at all. The challenge with traditional email automation is that it doesn't think, it doesn't listen, it simply triggers. In this series, I will be showing you how I built an AI-powered autoresponder from scratch. Now, this AI autoresponder will be taking into consideration your lead's behavior, your lead's history, the current scenario, and build context around the response. Now, I can guarantee you that no matter your industry or vertical, this will change how you view email automation or email follow-up forever. Before moving on, let's take a look at an example of an email that was sent from the autoresponder that I just built. "Hi James, great to hear from you again. I noticed you downloaded our price guide last month and just filled out our contact form today. It sounds like you're seriously exploring options based on your role at Phoenix and past interest in automation tools. I believe our starter growth package might be great fit for your current stage. Want to set up a 15-minute walkthrough this week to show you how it works? Looking forward, Sarah from Eureka Labs." Now, what makes this better? The email recalls lead's past activity, downloaded price guide. It acknowledges current action, submitted contact form. It mentioned company's name and the role from the CRM and recommended a relevant product, making it consultative. At the end of it, it offers a clear next step: book a walkthrough session. Now, what is the difference? Context, intelligence, real personalization at scale. From this autoresponder, in 3 months, we're able to witness 20% higher open rates, 30% growth in terms of sales and conversion, way more relevant replies and conversations. To build this, I used 4 key tools, all no code and easy for starters. Now, the first one was Typeform for capturing leads. I used make.com for designing an entire workflow, OpenAI to integrate intelligence and personalization, Airtable for storing and retrieval of leads history, like a CRM, and Gmail to send actual emails. Together, these tools moves you from robotic automation to real-time, human-like, intelligent conversations. When and if properly executed, using this setup can triple your open rate, sales velocity, and conversions within 3 months. This is just a fraction of what I help businesses do. I build smarter automation, I help them with faster sales and email follow-up and full 360 automation, including real-time data insight. Now, in the next video, I will show you a complete breakdown of how we built each different module as far as this autoresponder is concerned. We're going to set up a webhook, connect it to the Typeform, and trigger the workflow for full 360 automation. So don't miss out. Subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and be sure to get a notification immediately. This is Growth Engineering. We just don't talk growth, we build it. See you in the next video.